Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now click on About Phone at the top and click on Device Name section above Storage. Finally, type in new name of your smartphone. I will go with Caroline. And choose this check mark at the top right corner in order to save it. As you can see, after that, name of my Xiaomi has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!